So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the clock application on your iPhone. Now in iOS 26, the clock application looks like an actual clock. When you first open it up, there's a couple of things. At the bottom, you're going to have a couple of different buttons right here. The first button is the world clock. This will just show you kind of the high level overview of different clocks that are available in the world. So you can go through and edit up the existing clocks by clicking the edit button in the top left and you can delete them. Or if you want to add a clock, you can click on the plus button in the top right corner and you'll be able to add a clock internationally. So that is that first page. The second page is probably one of the more important ones, and that's the alarm page. Tapping on the alarm page, this allows you to edit and also add new alarms. So if you want to edit an alarm, tap on the edit button up here. You can tap on an alarm to edit it. You can also delete the alarm right at the bottom. If you want to add a new alarm, you can tap right up here in the top right corner, click on the plus button. You can then add a new alarm right over here. So there's a lot of different ways you can kind of edit this up. So add in your new alarm that you want, and you can change everything up. And when you're ready, click on the check mark up there, and that will add your new alarm. The stopwatch button down here allows you to kind of just keep a tally of different, time that's going on. So if you want to go and kind of measure time, something like that, then you can go and measure your, mile time or something like that. You can tap on the lap button if you want to continuously lap it. So you have that type of capability here too, and you can stop it if you want to. You can also change it to this actual type of stopwatch right here. If this is more or less what you'd like, then you can also do the original one as well. Then at the bottom, the last one is timers. If you tap on timers, then you basically can set a timer for a certain amount. So if you want to go ahead and set a timer for 15 minutes to take your brownies out of the oven or whatever, then you can go ahead, tap right into here, set a timer just like that, and then you can go ahead and use your device just like that as well. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.